Trying a quick test. Now, I didn't modify or adjust my camera in any way. Pretty sure there's settings I have to mess with. All I did was connect the Hollyland to my Canon. And I'm wearing the chain with the mic right down here. I believe I might be clipping a little bit, but I just wanted to hear what this sounds like actually connected to my camera. Now, I had the fan off. I'm going to start turning it on. Helps if I point it. So this is my fan on low. I just want to find out if it's coming through. I'm going to bump it up a little. Yep, turned it off. Okay, I'm going to bump it up a little. It's my fan on medium. That's my fan on high. And then we're gonna turn it off. Now, there's this little yellow button. I believe blue is not with the noise cancellation, so we're gonna push that button real quick. Now it's green. And now we're gonna turn the fan on. So now this is my fan on low. It's my fan on medium. And that's my fan on high. And again, I did not make any adjustments on my camera. I normally never use the audio through my camera. Just wanted to test it today. And that's going to be it for this video.